In sdang ke dorbar mangtyngka jong iing dorbar thawain ke Jylla Naduh ke arpo tarik lber arhajar arpulai batkan kut haduh arpupra tarik lber. Ia kini pyntip do Lamphang ke iing dorbar thawain ke Jylla Thomas A Sangma pyntip lyngba kilat pathai Khubor ha ke khatlai tarik lber arhajar arpulai. Shushu nakaliang jong Lamphang pyntip ru bahaka sengi sdang ia ke dorbar mangtyngka in pynlong ru ia ke election banjir usembut Lamphang ke iing dorbar thawain.
My first in the speaker's chairs, my first day, the business advisory committee meeting took place today, where all the members were present. Minister in charge of parliamentary affairs, then from the opposition side, Charles Pingrop and Dr. Celestine Lindo, and also Lakshmi were the members. So we all of us attended in this meeting, and we decided to have a full budget session starting from 28th March till 28th of the same month, 28 March 2023. And we also decided that since it is a budget, financial year ending month, so our officials and the government also needs to clear all the pending financial issues. So we decided to end the budget session on 28th itself. So 29th, 30th and 31st will be available for the officers and the secretariat and all the district officials to clear the financial dues.
Will it be enough, sir, for the budget session?
Actually, we have cut down some of the private members' bills, which we intend to have it give them enough time on the next session, maybe autumn session. This time we only allocated 2 days for private members' bills. Otherwise, I think it should be okay.
So can we expect the election of the deputy speaker also to be held during
Yes,
this session?
it will be held on the first day itself, on 28th. So we are giving out notifications from tomorrow, so that intending candidates can file their nominations, and we'll have the election on the first day of the budget session.
Total, how many government members, government days are there for government days? How many days?
It's a 7 days. It is a 5 days. 5 days government business.